Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Turn off power at the breaker and unplug the refrigerator before any work. Wear insulated gloves and eye protection to prevent shock and injury. Gather tools including a multimeter, insulated screwdriver, needle nose pliers, and a clamp meter if available. Locate the compressor at the back lower corner by removing the access panel. Allow the compressor to cool for 10 minutes before touching or testing components. Keep a small flashlight and notebook to record readings during each test step. Set the multimeter to the low ohms range and test across the compressor terminals carefully. First measure between common and start, then common and run, then start and run. Expect roughly 1 to 10 ohms on those winding pairs depending on compressor size and model. Next test the start relay and overload for continuity and heat signs of failure. Restore power briefly to measure 120 V at the compressor running terminals while observing safety procedures. Record all readings for comparison and diagnosis decisions. Listen for a steady humming noise from the compressor that indicates normal operation. Irregular clicking, loud grinding, or complete silence on power may indicate a seized compressor or start device failure. If windings are open or shorted on your multimeter, the compressor likely requires replacement. Inspect the start capacitor and relay, noting the capacitor microfarads printed on the case if present. If you find low refrigerant pressure or an internal mechanical seizure, call a certified appliance repair technician for sealed system service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.